Right, the objective today is to satisfy Matthew here, the cameraman, the lead, and lock up those daughters, Joe Waters. Right, today we're going to be cooking a barbecue, freshly disposable one from Tesco's, easy £2.59. Today we are going to be making onions, low budget Tesco's sausage rolls. Never cook a barbecue without gloves on. Safety first, kids. Me special. Secure the coal by grouping it. Now Tesco's, they kindly provide you with some cardboard, which comes very handy when cooking barbecue. They kindly provide a stand, so there is no scalding of the grass. Safe distance, 30 centimetres from any obstructions. We get the cardboard provided by Tesco's, $2.99. We safely, securely and properly cut it into sectors. Now what will this do? This will help light the barbecue and it won't go out. And it will get whiter quicker. Wetter is better. As you can see, whilst making the holes for the barbecue, I prepared the coal in the cardboard provided, £2.99 from Tesco's. I'm going to individually pick up the coal, place it into the barbecue. This is precise and very important. It's time to light the barbie. Matches, check. Health and safety arena, check. 30 centimetres apart. One match should do the trick. What the objective is, to successfully light an even point around the barbecue to satisfy the needs of other coals in the area. (20 to 40 minutes) and we should be ready for the onions. The sticks I've gone for today, 6 inches by 9 inches. The measurement I used was my penis, okay?
Which is 1 inch.
6 inches. And then we used Matty for the 9. Anchor, spreadable, yeah? Starters for today is toast. Right. Taking into consideration the lack of meat group we've got tonight, we're going to have to commit to the low budget Tesco's sausage rolls, which come in a range of assorted meats. Today we've got sausage and onion. Not that we've got enough onion. It's buy one get one free offer at Tesco's at the minute, so get down there quick. Right, what we're going to do is prep these sausage rolls. We're going to take the meat group out of them, discard the pastry packaging, maybe give them to the PI. We're getting ambushed. Ambush! We got incoming!
Pulling it back and it. Yeah.
Shots? I'll just be the boy. You alright? Hi. Whilst waiting for the fire to progress,